Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload a custom CSV of Facebook profiles and run the friend request or messaging campaign to them. Okay, so let's create a campaign, and for the sake of this video we'll choose upload CSV file. And what you have to do is upload the CSV file with the profile URLs, and I have this download sample CSV file which helps you understand in what formats you have to upload the URLs. Okay, so I'll open up this CSV file in my computer and edit that by adding the profile URLs to it. So to be honest, it's not super difficult. The first column needs to be profile_URL, which is required. Rest of it could be like the optional, like name, profile picture you can add, and then additional columns which becomes the variable, the personalization variables when you're doing the outreach messages. So only one required column, which is the profile_URL. I'll show you. So there are two profiles in this file. I'll add one more just to show you. Okay, and then take my friend here. So this should be his profile without the friends. So here is one of the profile on Facebook. I'll copy this URL, add into my CSV. So there are two type of profile URLs, either profile.php ending with the ID or just with the username. Okay, so I just added one more, and I'll save this sheet so that I can upload in the campaign. Now I'll upload this sheet so that these three profiles will be added to my campaign. For the sake of this video, I'll be choosing the message sequence. Again, choosing my burner account instead of my primary account, because the primary account will be used for the scanning automatically, and I don't want to send message to people who already have a conversation with me. And save. So that's it. You can see all three profiles are uploaded. They're not scanned yet, so shortly we'll see that these profiles will start scanning, which basically means that you just only uploaded the profile URL, but the system will try to get their further details like their profile picture, their actual name on the Facebook, etc. So for that it takes about 10 minutes, and we'll be back when the campaign have started scanning on these profiles. And back after a pause, you can see we had uploaded three profiles, and it has scanned all three profiles along with the profile pictures, and it says three profiles scanned, and the campaign is still working, and it starts sending the messages based on my time interval set in the burner account settings. And that's it from this video, and see you in the next one.